In this practical math video, let's look at a primary 2 math multiplication word problem and learn how to solve it with model drawing, alright? After watching this video, don't forget to try out the rest of the primary 2 math word problem on practical and see how well you have mastered the skills in it. Now let's see what math word problem we have here. Mom baked 4 delicious chocolate muffins in the morning. She baked twice as many yummy banana muffins in the afternoon. How many muffins did she bake altogether? Now let's put on our little thinking caps and try to understand this word problem sentence by sentence to see what we know, alright? Starting from the first sentence, we are given that Mom baked 4 delicious chocolate muffins in the morning. So what did Mom bake? Chocolate muffins, correct? So let's draw a simple rectangular bar to represent these chocolate muffins. Do we know how many of these muffins we have? Mom baked 4 of them, correct? And we are going to write the number 4 in this box. Great! When we look at this rectangular bar now, we need to remember what they stand for and how many things there are, okay? So this is the bar that represents chocolate muffins, and we know that we have 4 of these muffins. Following so far? Now let's see what else we know. She baked thrice as many yummy banana muffins in the afternoon. Do you know what the word thrice means? The word thrice, my dear friends, is actually a very good friend of the word three. And this means the same thing as having 3 times as many. So when we say that Mom baked thrice as many yummy banana muffins in the afternoon, it's the same as saying that Mom baked 3 times as many banana muffins as chocolate muffins. So far so good? Now let's think about how to draw the bar to represent the banana muffins, alright? If this rectangular bar represents the chocolate muffins, and we know that we are going to have 3 times of this for the banana muffins, what we need to do is just to draw this same rectangular bar 3 times. Yep, it's as simple as that. And there we go. This is the part that stands for the banana muffins. Finally, let's read the question and see what we are supposed to solve. How many muffins did she bake altogether? So looking at the beautiful model that we have drawn, can you spot the part that we need to find? If you say it's everything that you see here, you're absolutely right. Now let's put a little question mark to remind us of that, okay? Do you know how to solve this primary 2 math word problem now? What can you tell from the model? Can you tell that Mom baked 4 groups of 4 muffins altogether? So to find the answer to this question, all we need to do is just to multiply 4 by 4. And now it's time to recall your 4 times table. Do you remember what 4 times 4 is? If you shouted 16, fantastic job! And you're right. Mom baked 16 muffins altogether. Problem solved. Thank you so much for watching this practical math video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, okay? Till next time, bye!